Hello and welcome back to Travel Trolls TV. Exciting one today. Oh yes, we've been on the website again. Temu. We can't help ourselves. So, you might have seen...
They do good stuff.
They do good stuff. You might have seen on us vlogs recently we've been doing the garden.
Yeah.
But gardening is expensive.
And also, it's never ending. You can always keep adding to it, can't you?
And we definitely need to keep adding to it. So,
Yeah.
I thought we'd do like a gardening Temu video.
Yeah.
If you're wanting anything from Temu, don't just go over and do it. Use the link in the description and use our code and you'll get, I think it's up to £100 worth of coupons.
Fantastic.
So make sure you do that. We'll put a link in the description for every item we're going to show you. But we haven't just got gardening things. Here's a quick preview of what we're going to be showing you. Look at some of these beauties. And there's things inside. There's things inside here as well.
It was amazing to how well packed these all were, weren't they?
Yeah.
It was actually really amazing that they took their time and care with all this.
Normally when we get things from Temu, it's just small items. I didn't realise they did big items. You can get big items from Temu.
And do you know the best thing as well? You didn't have to build any of these.
No, already built.
Yeah.
So, not only did we get gardening things, Mazzy wanted to treat herself.
Just do a couple of little bits.
So it's your birthday coming up.
It certainly is.
10th of February.
It is, yes.
And for some reason, Mazzy seems to think she's getting some roller boots for her birthday.
I'd like some roller boots.
So, I think she's got some roller boot clothing to go with roller boots, which she hasn't got yet.
I gotta look the part. So let's just run through a couple of bits.
Let's have a look at what you have got.
Well, I need the pink socks, don't I? Yep, my long skater socks.
Skater socks, Illuminous socks, very 80s.
Love it. I'm from the 80s. I'm an 80s girl.
Very you. So they were about £2.74 when we got them.
Bargain. So as I'm from the 80s, look, I'm an 80s girl, look.
80s girl. I can see you in your roller boots wearing these already. So that was about £5.83.
And this one's cool. I like this one because I can just wear that like with what I've got on today, look.
It's got a roller boot on it.
Yeah.
You seem to think you're getting some roller boots for your birthday, don't you?
I like them anyway. But talking about what I've got on today, this is actually from Temu as well. I did my own little haul. Fantastic. Absolutely love this little jumper.
The thing is, you got your own Temu order.
I did.
Without telling me.
Yes. Why?
And there's something on your Temu order which I might have got you for your birthday.
Oh.
So
okay.
I'm not happy.
Okay.
Anyway.
Alright, I'll have to have a word with you afterwards.
So is that it for your roller booty stuff?
Yeah.
Can we move on to the garden now?
This is the man serious stuff.
Right, so it is raining outside. I'm going to plant up these planters, not with plants, just with the soil. I'm going to get the compost in there. We haven't got the plants at the moment because we can't afford the plants for a couple of weeks. When we get the plants, these are going to look amazing, but we can get them in place.
We're getting it off to go and get the plants as well. We're not just sort of down the road, are we?
No. So we're going to get them planted up and then I'll do that on my own, Mazzy.
Yeah.
And then you come out and we'll go through the little bits you've got to add.
Because I bought some trinkets then to add a little splash of colour and a little bit of, you know, adventure to it.
Very excited with this one. I wish the weather was a bit better. It's raining outside, but I'm going to crack on. Let's get outside. So the planters are out ready. They're going to be going in this gap here. Just fill it out a bit better. But it's still raining, just a tiny bit. So let's just go inside and show you one other item. Two other items. We're actually going to go straight on to what is probably both of our favourite items from this haul.
And I actually picked these.
You did.
They go really well together, like they were made together, weren't they?
They're really good. Check these two people out.
We've got these two people.
Look at them.
And they've got some weight to them.
They're like a resin.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are quite heavy and they're so cute.
They are so cute, so you can have them either way sort of thing, but I'd rather them looking at each other like that with their heads in. So that's me and Dad. In a few years' time.
It looks like they're supposed to sit down on something. Where are you going to put them?
Yeah, I mean, you can sit them on steps or whatever. But I then ordered this.
A little bench?
A little bench for them. And it just is perfect for these. And that was dead easy to quickly put together as well.
You know how much that bench was?
How much?
£2.85.
Wow.
£2.85.
So what I'm going to do is stick these on there. I'm going to stick them because I don't want the wind to blow them off, basically.
I think the wind will blow them off. So yeah, if we
Yeah.
just stick the bums onto the seats there.
Just to help keep them in place, basically. Just a sticky pad. Try and get them central a little bit.
Beautiful.
And do the lady there. And it's me and you, isn't it? It's so cute.
Right, I think it's stopped raining. I'm going to go outside and get these planters planted up. So here we go. Planter number 1. This is my favourite little planter, I think. Really nice. This is a handmade wooden planter box with 2 drawers. Rustic vintage design. It's beautiful. Now, one problem, it's really nice, is that. One problem we have here is rabbits. And rabbits will eat plants. So I'm going to have to get plants which rabbits won't eat. And I'm thinking lavender. I need to Google that, but I don't think they like lavender. So let me get this one planted up. Perfect. I'm not going to place them yet. Just leave it here for now. I'm not filling them to the very top because I need to put plants in there yet. So yeah, I'm just going to lay it out for now and see how we get on. Right, on to the next planter. This is a little cute addition. So this is a vintage rust resistant iron flower bed cart. Now it's got a rust look to it, but it's rust resistant apparently. I thought they'd made it rust on purpose, but apparently that isn't rusty. But yeah, just a nice little addition with a little handle there. Just put a tiny little plant in there. Very nice. These are all finishing touches for the big pots, which I'm coming on to next. So that one was £7.22. Bargain. I'm trying to go for old looking, you know. I don't like modern planters. Modern look things. I like things to look antique, rusty, used. You know what I mean? I think it looks a lot better in a garden. So I'm trying to go for wood as much as anything, which brings us on to one of the bigger planters now. So this beauty weighs absolutely nothing. And you can use it for indoor or outdoor, which is a beauty about it. I'm not going to put holes in the bottom because it's got slats up the side. Water is going to get out of there as it wants to get out of there. But yeah, nice and rustic and old looking, and it'll match us decking beautifully. So there we have that one. As I say, I'll arrange them when I've got them all planted up, potted, not planted, just filled with soil. Get them all done and put them in place. Remember, one thing with Temu, you do have a 30-day return, a 90-day return as well. Most companies will only give you like a 28-day, 30-day return policy. You can return any item up to 90 days with Temu, which is another big plus as well. Another of my favourites. Look at this beauty. £18.30, bargain. Little handles on the side. And it's shaped like that, look, so it goes in at the bottom. Very nice. They're calling this a rustic wooden rectangular planter, indoor or outdoor again. So you could, I suppose you could use this indoor, yes. No reason why not. This is going to look lovely with all these different woods. With the decking in the background, I think it'll look nice. And there we have it. Very, very nice. And last but not least, so as you can see, I'm going for wood, and this one is resin. These are resin. I don't like going for terracotta planters because they're just smashed, don't they? This one is resin. Now, look at this. It's like an antique wood effect. Gold, a gold colour on there. Looks a bit like a barrel. £28.50. Now, I used to work in a garden centre 25 years ago, maybe. 25 years ago, and they were £28, £30 back then. So the price, Temu have managed to keep the price at what they were 25, 30 years ago, which I find incredible, because I do know the price of planters has really shot up now, and plants, but Temu seem to have some fantastic prices. Right, let's get this last one potted up, and then Mazzy's going to come out, because she's got some little bits she wants to put in them. So there we have it. I can't really put these where I want to put them until we've got plants in them, because I don't know how tall each one's going to grow. So just for now, until we get some more plants, just leave it like that. Let's keep this drain clear so we can get in and out of that. So I won't be covering that or too close to it. But yeah, that is looking very nice. Right, let's get the last few items out from Mazzy. Right, are you ready?
Yeah.
So you can grab your little man and lady.
Yay.
And stick them wherever you like.
On there proper. Now, bear in mind, this isn't the finished product.
No,
now.
and we don't want things to stand out too much.
No.
It's just like hidden. Yep, that's
Until
nice
we get
for now.
plants and stuff, we're going to rehome these around the corners and stuff.
Right, next up, we've got this solar rock in front of you.
Oh, right, okay.
So,
Well, that's quite good there.
no.
No.
It needs to go facing up if you hold that. Oh. So, I have had this out the other night, look at the light on
Oh, that's bright.
It's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, I'm thinking if it's here, going up here,
Yeah.
make the leaves all look nice at night. That's my plan.
Because if you all remember, also our decking lighting, every single one of it is from Temu, and it's still going strong. It's Temu, and it's still going strong, and it's fantastic lighting.
Right, next up, what are you grabbing?
I'm gonna grab baby Dave. Now we've got a thing for little baby Daves. Squirrels, yeah.
We have had these real squirrels here,
Yes.
and I used to feed them.
Yeah.
So we had to get a baby Dave.
Yeah.
So where are we going to put him?
I don't know. I think under here, like in a tree. Maybe just there for now. He looks cute there, doesn't he? He looks like he's hiding his nuts.
Just stick him in a bit.
Yeah. Should we move on to the next item? Oh, he looks cute,
Yep.
don't he?
What's next?
So, next item, you ordered this, didn't you?
Don't know, what is it?
This one here, it's like
yeah.
a butterfly.
Just a little butterfly.
Yeah, it's quite cute.
It's just little things to put in the planters where you don't see them as you're walking past, but if you look closely,
Yeah.
you'll see it.
Yeah.
So that just wants to go in one of the
So
planted
it's
up
like a
planters,
hide and
really.
seek. Look, let's stick that in there, look. Just like that, look.
And it's got a nice... Is that the bee?
That's the bee, yeah. Maybe that shouldn't be in there, actually. It's quite
you can't
hidden.
see- you really
yeah,
can't see it.
yeah.
I think you need this one. Down there.
Yeah.
That was £2.21.
Bargain. And that's metal, by the way, as well. So, talking of metal, we got these as well. 2 little metal robins. Now, these are lovely.
I'm very impressed with them.
Yeah, these are really
They have got
nice.
a proper rusty look to them.
Yeah, I love that look. So we can stick one here, look, so he just looks like he's...
They're a lot bigger than I thought they were going to be.
Yeah, but that's good because that's like a genuine size, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we'll put one there.
£5.56 for 2.
Bargain. And just for now, because nothing's permanent at the minute, we'll just stick one there, look. He's waiting for something to be planted so he can nibble at it.
And now it's really your proper little bits.
Yeah, some of them I'm not going to put out quite yet. So this one, now this is actually glass. It's a snail. I call them Shelly Moddies. So I'm going to go and put this over, just maybe in here, look. Just a little bit discreet, but it just looks cute, doesn't it?
It's handcrafted as well.
Is it?
Yeah. Handcrafted.
No, that's amazing to find that out, actually. That's quite interesting.
Oh, you've got some gnomes.
Yeah, now these are good, because these actually hang over your pots.
How many is there? 3?
3, I think there is, yeah.
3 gnomes.
So, let's get one over here, look. So he's doing his business. We'll have him trying to climb up onto his little one there. And maybe this one over here, look. I love that. It just brings a spot of colour to it, doesn't it?
You've got 5 fairies.
5 fairies. Now, I'm not going to do all these because obviously once they're all planted with plants, I want to hide them all in amongst it. So it's like a bit like a fairy garden. But I can do a few.
So they're £6.87.
These are cute. It just brings a bit of magic to your plant pots, doesn't it?
It's like I say, you don't really want people to see them. You just want to, if they look very, very closely, they'll see them. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I'll have her sitting on the plant pot there. And another one I can have here, sitting on a plant pot. And maybe just one in there tucked away.
Very nice, very nice.
Just brings a bit of magic to the garden, doesn't it? I'll put one in here as well.
Next up, you've got a little door. What's this all about?
Fairy door. They need a door to get into the house. Look how good this is. Look. It actually looks like they're sitting on your plant pot.
Yeah, until the wind comes and it's going to blow it off. I think it needs to be on the soil myself, but...
It is in the soil.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, they've got sticks?
Yeah.
All right. Very good.
So just a tiny little fairy door. If you want to just talk about how much and stuff.
How much? Guess.
Dunno.
68p.
No.
68p for a little fairy door. That might be good on this one, because it's flat.
Yeah, I was thinking of putting it on the flattest. So again, I don't want this totally on show because it's a fairy door. It's meant to be discreet. So I'm just going to get down quickly off camera to help me take these sticky backs off.
Okay, so that's going on the side.
Yeah.
And second to last, a load of mushrooms. I think I had about another £1.60 to spend, so I picked all these mushrooms for you, Mazzy.
Now, I probably won't use all this. This is an awful lot, but I just want to put a bit of splash of colour into it. So I'll put a couple down and get back to me, yeah?
They were £1.74, by the way.
It's just a little bit of fun, isn't it? So we can have like one in there.
Very nice. So there we have it.
Just a dot of colour, isn't it?
A dot of colour.
Yeah.
Like in summer, like all the plants we've got at the moment are all just green. But that's going to come out in spring in bright pink flowers. We're going to be getting a lot of flowering ones for all season round.
Yeah.
And that, my friends, is going to look absolutely beautiful. And last but not least, I just got a couple of little tools, just tiny tools for when my plants come, just to plant them up. I got very dirty hands the other day when I did these, so fantastic. Are you happy with that?
Yeah, well, Charles, thank you.
We've got our own little Temu garden.
Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful. So that is our little Temu garden. Hope you liked that. Another lovely, lovely set of stuff from Temu.
Yeah, so grateful.
We've been getting a lot from them lately, and we're absolutely loving the stuff.
Yeah.
So don't forget, to get £100 worth of coupons, use our code. I'll put it on screen here, but it's all in the description. Use our link, download their app, and use the code.
Yeah. Every little helps.
Every little does help. So thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed that one.
Yes.
And we'll see you all soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.